Check out this resin project using casting epoxy and burl wood. In this project, we made a gear shift knob using Stone Coat Countertop casting epoxy, metallic additives, and a simple form. In this video, you'll see step by step how John did his first project using epoxy and a lathe. Find out right now why woodworkers and artisans love using epoxy to finish their projects. This project came out fantastic. Visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Our epoxy rocks, Stone Coat Countertops.
Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again. All right, John, you're gonna make a custom gear shift knob for your stick shift.
Yeah.
Right on, man.
98 Toyota Tercel.
So you've made a pocket jigged form here, basically.
Yes, I have.
Do you want, you mentioned orange, do you want orange translucent to this? Is that what your goal is?
That's what I'm thinking.
Why don't you put this thing back together and then I'll go find that orange and I'll be right back.
All right, sounds perfect.
All right.
Thank you.
John had pre-built his form so that we could use his piece of burl wood and put it inside the form and fill it with our Stone Coat Countertop Supercast. Because we were pouring it thick, we wanted to use Supercast because we didn't have to do this in multiple pours. All right, so we're testing some new colors. This is an orange. We really had artists in mind, and this is like an artistic application. So we've never used this color. There's no guarantees, and we're gonna test it right now. You ready?
I mean, why not try it out, see what happens?
Yeah. You can always add more metallic, so I start very conservative. We really like how this orange metallic came out. Let us know what you guys think after the video. So we're gonna take this in the other room. You can follow me, Luke, and we're gonna pin nail underneath it so that it doesn't float. Ow! I'm just kidding. All right, there we go. Let's go tape that up. All right. So all we're gonna do with the Tyvek tape is prevent the supercast from leaking out of the holes here.
Yep.
Tyvek tape is originally designed for house wrap, but it works wonders when trying to build a form that is leak proof. It's good practice to mix the supercast with a paint stick and then pour it in the form and torch it every 1/4 inch or so that you can remove all the bubbles. This was a great method to get a very successful outcome. Check out the metallic and how beautiful that's gonna look. That's so cool.
That's amazing. And then when the natural light hits it, I mean, it's just gonna light up even more.
Cool, man, good job.
Thank you.
Let us know in the comments below what you want to see turned on a lathe with epoxy. Carl Jacobson, he came out here, he's huge on YouTube, he does a lot of wood turning things, and I can't believe the stuff that he makes using epoxy. Can't wait to see what you can make with this. All right guys, we'll see you in a minute. John did a great job prepping, turning, sanding, and polishing his project to a fantastic result. me see that thing, dude.
That is over the top. Look at that. Dang. Dude, that is so freaking cool.
John, dude, that thing is awesome, man.
Oh my goodness, it is over the top.
You did really good. Do you like the orange?
Oh, I love the orange. It's fantastic.
That's what we popped out of our mold. It's got the dark burl behind it, and in that sun, it just looks awesome. You brought me this, man. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Guys, question of the day, what do you want to see us make with this hunk of amazing burl magic right there, man?
That is, know what it is.
That is killer, and the potential, look, it's got growths on it, man. So what do you guys want us to make with that piece? Let us know in the comments below. John, present from us to you.
Cool.
Your very own Stone Coat Countertop shirt. You got this, man.
All right, thank you.
Congratulations, bro. Right on. Woo. Yes, that's, dude.
Oh, I
love it.
It's over the top.
Next time you go on a date, you'll have something to talk about. You'll be like, I made that.
Need to find a girl for that first.
Our epoxy rocks. Stone Coat Countertops.
Hey, visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you soon.